Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Jay Patel and I am a certified physician assistant here at MyFitMed. Here I cover multiple topics to improve your overall health and fitness, and the topics may include hormones, vitamins, weight loss, and overall lifestyle changes. The goal is not to treat you but to educate you to help you get in the best shape of your life. Enjoy the video. Today I'll talk about the labs that needs to be tested to evaluate the proper function of your thyroid. The first one is TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone. Thyroid stimulating hormone is a hormone produced by anterior pituitary gland that stimulates or signal thyroid in producing thyroid hormone T3 and T4. TSH is the very basic test that your PCP will order during your physical. Think TSH as the messenger from your pituitary gland to your thyroid gland. So basically pituitary gland signals the thyroid to produce more thyroid if your body is low on thyroid hormone, or to lower the production of thyroid hormone if there is a lot of thyroid hormone in your body. The next test is total T4. T4, also known as thyroxine, is the inactive form of a thyroid hormone. And T4 is the major type of hormone produced by thyroid gland. 98% of what thyroid gland produce will be shown by total T4. So total T4 is the true indicator of actual thyroid function. But because it's the inactive form of thyroid, it's not a true indicator for your thyroid symptoms. So the next test is free T3. T3 is triiodothyronine and is the active form of a thyroid gland. Free T3 is the active form of a thyroid gland that is not bounded to the protein. It is the best marker of an active thyroid hormone that actually improves your symptoms, because T3 is what cell in our body utilizes to improve the symptoms of your low thyroid. In body, T4, the inactive form that I discussed, usually gets converted to T3 to improve the overall symptoms of low thyroid. The next test is reverse T3. Reverse T3 binds to the thyroid receptor and blocks the active thyroid hormone T3 and T4 from binding to the receptors. In our body, T3 and T4, the thyroid hormone, gets converted to reverse T3 when body is under any type of stress. So if you're not sleeping good, if you're sick, if you're working out too much and not recovering properly, if your cortisol level is high, or if your body is inflamed and have a lot of inflammatory process going in your body, the body is under some type of stress. This type of condition will convert active thyroid hormone into reverse T3. So when the reverse T3 level is high, you may have all the classic symptoms of low thyroid because your thyroid hormone is not able to act on the receptors. So this is the part 1 of the testing. I'm going to discuss the autoimmune side of the thyroid testing in my part 2. Thanks for watching. Hope you learned something about optimizing your overall health. Talk to your medical provider before starting any treatment. Let us know what other topics you want me to cover. Give us a thumbs up if you like the video and subscribe for more videos.